Stop life-changing information ahead. Imagine that minutes from now, you could start using the world's premier Cody and Cosmos 2.0 powered ChatGPT killer app, fully powered by Microsoft's latest AI technology. It turns any keyword or voice command into top-quality AI-generated content. Content like limitless websites, funnels, blogs, and stores, limitless images, animations, and videos, limitless plagiarism-free SEO content, limitless Microsoft's AI-powered chatbots, limitless code and databases, and even limitless Android and iOS app codes. It also answers all of your questions in 10 seconds flat. It instantly boosts your traffic, leads, and commissions on complete autopilot. Sounds amazing? Because it is. Not using AI in your online business in 2023 is like throwing money away. You've seen the success stories. AI is changing people's lives as we speak, and now is your turn to finally take advantage of it too. So why AI and why now? Well, it produces high-quality content like websites, funnels, SEO content, images, videos, code, and much more. It's 1,000,000 times faster and precise than any human alive. It saves you time and money all day, every day. In other words, start using AI now or stay behind forever. However, AI comes with some problems too. It's expensive, and until today, only well-established business owners could use it to its full potential. It can be very expensive. OpenAI costs $389 per year, ChatGPT $240 per year, Midjourney $1,299 per year, DALL-E $799 per year, Stability AI $320 per year, Leonardo AI $399 per year. But wait, there's a better way. Yes, today you can get access to all the premium AI features without losing your shirt. Introducing Emerge AI. World's first and only AI app fully powered by Cody and Cosmos 2.0 that creates unlimited AI content with lifetime usage. Stop worrying about the limitations and monthly payments for ChatGPT once and for all. In 10 seconds you can create and sell stunning AI websites, funnels, images, videos, code, and much more. It makes us $1,008.32 per day with our built-in traffic source. And the important question is, are you happy with how much you are currently earning online? And most importantly, could you earn more? Again, AI is changing people's lives as we speak, and now is your turn to finally take advantage of it too. Minutes from now, you could get access to the world's first and only AI app fully powered by Cody and Cosmos 2.0. It creates, designs, and sells done-for-you AI websites, funnels, images, videos, code, and more with a single keyword or a voice command. A regular person says, so what? But smart marketers like you and I ask, how can I profit from that? We've spent no expense developing it, so you can finally see results with AI without overpaying for it. Yes, we've done all the hard work for you. It's literally a business in a box. You can use a keyword or voice commands. This will instantly create all the AI content you need, websites, images, videos, code, and more. 10 seconds is all it takes. Ready-made done-for-you content in a blink of an eye. Profit big. Use your freshly created content to drive traffic, get leads, generate commissions, or simply sell to your clients. Say goodbye to worries and frustrations. It is your time to win. No more poor quality AI content, no more weird-looking AI images, no more unengaging AI videos. No more problems with copyrights, no more freelancers or agencies, no more translators or other experts. This app is all you need to finally start seeing real results while lowering your monthly costs to zero. Emerge AI unleashes the power of AI in any niche in just 3 steps. Step 1. Log into members area, select a done-for-you template, keyword, or use a voice command. Step 2. Let Emerge AI create content for you in 10 seconds flat. Step 3. Copy, paste, and profit. All of this with a few clicks and with zero tech experience needed. And the best part, during this initial launch period, you can grab your copy for as low as $17. You can pay once and use it forever. Here's what you get today with Emerge AI. One-click websites, one-click funnels, one-click images, videos, SEO content, code, and more. Free commercial license, free white label license, video training, no monthly charges, and 8 fast action bonuses. Free to use yourself in any niche and free to sell to your clients. You set the price here. All of this and much more for a silly low one-time fee during the launch period only. Yes, if you will act now, we will include a free commercial license for a very limited time only. This means you can create limitless done-for-you content for your clients and charge them $1,000 a pop or even monthly. But you need to hurry, this amazing opportunity is available for a low one-time fee for a very limited time. After the initial launch period, we reserve the right to start charging a monthly fee for access to Emerge AI, and we'll be removing the commercial license. However, if you'll join right now, you're still getting the best deal ever. And of course, you are fully protected by our free 165 days money-back guarantee. Yes, we are putting our money where our mouth is. You can test drive Emerge AI, and if you don't like it, we'll get your money back. What you need to do right now is take action. Hurry if you want to get in for a low one-time fee, plus get commercial license included for free. So click on the Buy Now button below and we will personally connect with you on the next page.